Here we are on the upper deck of the Alemannia, and let's take a look at 232. Interesting German design. There's a sink over here which is separate from the bathroom and the shower and the toilet, so that enables both people to use the services at the same time. Plenty of closet space. And during the day, the beds are converted into a couch and a sitting area. During the day, and then the evening, the beds are put down. Storage space. Big picture windows. Nice little thing is they can open, let out the fresh air. We're now on the Rhine, on the MS Alemannia, which sails from Amsterdam to Basel. And here's the bathroom. And the separate shower. Actually, this is pretty good. It's convenient.